Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to save file in Google Sheets. So get started. At first, open your Google Sheets file. Firstly, in this video, I will show that save file in the Google Sheets. Now, going to the file menu option, then click for the download option. Then click for the Microsoft Excel option. Now for click. That is. Then show the download from the unlisted sheet. Now for click. Then click for the Excel sheets. That's it. Then I show the save file in Google Sheets is very easy. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.